TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Monday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got all the indices in positive territory. Right now, the Dow up 263 points, or about 0.9% in the positive, trading 29,526. S&P is positive by 13 points. That's about 0.4% in the green, trading at 3570. NASDAQ up by 0.1, 16 points in the positive at 11,871. You get the Russell leading the way up 1.8%, 32 points in the green at 1817. Start things off. Let's jump around to commodities. You got crude. Crude up 50 cents, 1.25% at 42.95. Had been as high as 43.36. Gold contract, one of the stories of the day. Gold accelerating lower, down $36 on the session. Actually made it to a low of 18.28. Currently trading at 18.36. Silver down 76 cents at 23.59. We had some real action in the dollar. You check out the Euro-US dollar. Euro-US dollar goes from 119 down to under 118. Remarkable move. We're right back to 118.40 right now in the euro. We'll jump over to the VIX. Volatility index, pairing any of the gains it has. This market, it accelerated lower. We'll jump back to the S&P in a moment. We were at almost 24, currently trading at 22.77 in the volatility index. Jumping over to the S&Ps, you see the acceleration we had, and it was quite an acceleration. From 945, you were trading at 35.88. You trade down basically 40 points to a low of 35.48. So you're talking about 40 S&P points from the time of 945 to 1130. Since then, though, we bounced about 20 points to 35.67 in the S&Ps. All right, what else we got going on? Another vaccine story coming out for good news this morning. AstraZeneca and Oxford vaccine found highly effective, preventing COVID. That news hitting somewhere 70% efficacy, depending on the dosing, 62% to 90%. Easier storage for that vaccine when it comes to disseminating it across the whole globe. That news out there. We also had the story that JP Morgan, pretty interesting, talking about the outflow of stock that's going to be necessary because of the month that the markets are having. And we'll finish up this update with this. Maybe we'll see. But check it out. We close out October at about 32.50. We're trading 300 plus points above that level. You're talking about 9% in a period of 1 month as they're going to have to rebalance. And what else we got coming up, folks? How about all the earnings tomorrow? Should be an interesting shortened Thanksgiving week. Best Buy, Gap, Dell, Dex, Burlington, Nordstrom. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White at 2, Tom O'Brien at 3. Be right back.